In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your number ratings from this to something like this. So if you want to change what your ratings look like, here's how you can do it. In this example, I have a table of Las Vegas restaurants, complete with a type of restaurant, address, and some signature dishes or notable aspects about those restaurants. And at the end of that table, we have our ratings. So these ratings are from 0 to 5. If you have a rating of over 5, unfortunately, this will not work for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So if I try and convert this cell right here to a star rating, what I'm going to do is just right click on it. Go to Smart Chips here at the bottom, and you will see your Smart Chips options. We have our people, file, calendar events, place, finance, and finally our rating. So at the bottom of that option, we're just going to click on rating right here. And there you have it. Not only have I converted just one cell, it has automatically converted the entire column right here into our star ratings. Now that happened because my data is within a table. So the ratings or the column type for this rating column right here has automatically changed the format into this star rating. If I were to do this outside of a table, here is our example. So this is the same rating for each of those restaurants. I'm just going to show you how it's done outside your tables. Within our table, we can also change that by going to this drop down, select your edit column type. Here we have our Smart Chips option, and again, we have our rating already checked. So if it's outside your tables, what you're going to do is to right click, go again to your Smart Chips, and select rating. And there you have it. You'll see that's only converted our first cell into a star rating. But if I select this entire range right here, there you go, right click again, select Smart Chips and select rating. There you have it. We have the same rating as our rating column right here. So if we go back, you can actually format this. I'm just going to select that range or that column. Then go to our toolbar here at the top. I'm going to select a different color, make it stand out, and make that a bit bigger by changing our font size right here. And there you have it. We have completely converted our number ratings into this star rating right here. And that's of course with the help of our Smart Chips. Again, don't forget that if you have a rating of over 5, this trick will not work. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.